Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you forgot your password for the Realme 9. And this fix should work on every Realme 9 series. So for example, Realme 9E, Realme 9 Pro and any other Realme 9. So keep in mind that if you do this fix, it will remove all of your data and everything from your phone. So keep that in mind, that you will lose every picture, everything on your phone. So as you can see, I have the password and I forgot it, so I can't unlock my phone. So in order to actually fix that, we need to turn off the phone like that. Just wait a bit till it actually turns off like that. Now you'll need to press at the same time simultaneously the lock button and the volume down button, just like that. Now choose the language you prefer. I'm going for the English. And from here go to wipe data and select format data, and from here just paste this code right here. So it's 5687 format. Now we need to wait till it actually formats all of the data. Wiped successfully, press OK. And now the phone should boot itself back like that. And right here the phone just restarted. It took some time, so don't panic. It takes about 5 or 7 minutes to actually fully restart. And from here you'll just need to set up your phone as normal, as usual, when you just have the fresh new out of the box phone. So let's just do that. Select language, it's English. Region, for me it's Poland. Agree to all of the user agreements and accept everything here. I'm gonna skip connecting to Wi-Fi, and also when it asks me to log into Google, I'm gonna skip that as well. And here we can set the unlock method, so we can put the password or your fingerprint or the face recognition unlock as well, but let's skip that and don't enable this. Get started, and as you can see, the phone just booted up. Everything is fresh, we have no files, nothing on our phone, and if we lock it and try to unlock it, it works fine without any password. So it restarted the password, but at the same time it deleted any file on the phone, including pictures, contacts, videos, applications, everything. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.